Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter Olwoch. I'm a stock market researcher and investor. I invest in the stock market and my aim is to be a multi-millionaire in the next 12 months. In the next 24 months, I should be a multi-millionaire. So I invest every day, not every day, every month. I invest in the stock market. And my aim is to grow wealth over a period of time. And quit job. Of course, you can also quit job and retire early. I am persuaded that the stock market can make us all rich. Today's topic is this: why technical analysis is better than fundamental analysis, and it can help you make more money in the stock market. Listen. Again, I'm still reading Jack Bernstein. Jack Bernstein is one of the established stock market investors in the United States of America. He's a consultant with over 35 years experience in the stock market. And this is what he says. Before I go to what he says, let me tell you what I know. Technical analysis deals with a few things. 1, volume. 2, price. 3, support and resistance. 4, trends. And the master of trends is Michael Covel. I'll be talking about Michael Covel a lot in this channel. These guys are a master in the stock market. He's not the only one. Now, this is what Jack Bernstein says. What is technical analysis? I will spend more time on technical analysis method than the fundamental analysis method, simply because I believe technical analysis is far better approach for more non-professional investors. Simply explained, technical analysis method is analyzing markets that does not require any attention to fundamentals. As its name suggests, it's more technical. This is what it studies. 1, price and trends. Trend is your friend. You only make money when the market is trending upwards. If the market is not trending upwards, ladies and gentlemen, you will not make money. If the trend is going downwards, you won't make money. If the trend is going upwards, you make money. When the trend is zigzag like this, you don't make anything. So price and price trends, this is what technical analysis involves. And we will be doing a lot of this as time goes by. Charts and graph of price movements, we'll do lots of these. Mathematical deviations, derivations of prices, such as moving averages, oscillators, and other indicators. Bollinger Bands, RSI indicators, we'll do lots of these. Trading volume, very important. We'll study these a lot. Price patterns, very key. We'll study these a lot. Cyclical factors, we'll study these. Chart patterns, very important. We'll study these a lot and get to know exactly at what point should you buy, at what point should you sell, at what point is dangerous for you to buy, at what point is dangerous for you to sell, and at what point when you buy you make profit, automatic. My aim is this: if you can save 1,000 shillings per month, 1,000 shillings, not more, 1,000 shillings per month, and save for 12 months, and save for 10 years, you'll be a millionaire. Automatic. That is my guarantee. Now, listen. If you continue saving, not just for 10 years to make you a millionaire, but you continue saving for another 10 years, you will be having 10 million shillings guaranteed. My aim is this, listen, is to make everybody a millionaire. There's no way you will be on this channel watching me and fail to make money. You must make money. What you need is 1, discipline. What you need is secondly, consistency. And what you need is 3rd, persistence. And the 4th thing you need is to be on this channel. I have a Telegram channel. Please join the Telegram channel. It's below in the description. The other thing you need is subscribe. Subscribe to this channel and please click the bell notification, because I will be releasing lots and lots of videos and you need to be part and parcel of this journey. I practice what I preach. Personally, I'm also saving and I'm also investing and I'm also growing my money. And my aim is to be a multi-millionaire by the end of the year, or better, by the end of next year. The other thing we'll be studying is market sentiments. As I said, we'll also be studying support and resistance. We'll be studying artificial intelligence. And guys, artificial intelligence is very keen. I went to school and studied artificial intelligence and studied the stock market. I did my master's in computer science. And artificial intelligence is very key in the stock market. This is what I ended up with from my master's in computer science. I'll be sharing a lot from this book. So keep it tuned. You will benefit greatly. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. Please share this video with your friends. My aim is simple. Make 10% return times 12 months and make 100% return per year. Over 100% return per year. We will do better than the banks, the circles, the treasury bills, the money market, the unit trust. We'll do better than all the big boys combined, and insurance. Asanteni sana. Bye bye. Uriti. Zaijan. Tuonane show.